warm up right now, but today's video is about to do a walk around of my SI build so far, and what I've done to it, and what I want to do to it in the future. So once the car warms up a little bit more, I'm just gonna go find a spot, nice little spot set up, and just gonna shoot there. So I'll catch up with y'all when I find a spot. Alright guys, so this is my 2008 Honda Civic SI Coupe fg2. Just do a little walk around of how she looks. Okay. She's kind of dirty, but hey. Okay, so let's dive into what's done to it. Okay, it's first to start off with underneath the hood. First, I got Skunk 2 alpha headers. Next, I have just a little eBay short ram intake, which I'm debating on getting the hybrid racing intake and relocate this battery, because on my hondata this intake is running extremely hot. So this is a hot air intake. It's not even a cold air intake. So I'm gonna be looking into getting that. I need to get bomber mounts. On 8th gens, you change this mount, the rear mount, and the front mount. They come with a whole set of bomber mounts. It's like $250 for the 3. I need to order that. Car's wired up with the sub in the trunk. Suspension, I have max speeding. You see that? Max speeding rod coilovers, adjustable camber plates in the front. That's an eBay brand coilover, but I can't complain. This ride's pretty good for the price that I paid. Have a Sabon. Can you see it? Focus? Maybe. Screw it. I got a Sabon carbon fiber hood, bonnet, fire fluid target. But let me close this down and get into the other mods. Oh, also have a stage 3 clutch in there. It's McLeod. I can't pronounce it. That's my clutch. McLeod. I never heard of it, but it's a pretty good damn clutch. I have that with this lightened aluminum flywheels, like 9 pounds, I think. And it's been holding up pretty great. HFP front lip. I need to get the side skirts and the HFP rear lip next. You guys can see the carbon needs to be restored. And damn it, my battery is dying. I got 17x9 Veristone ES2s plus 22 offset. Car is tinted. You see it's low as shit too. Exhaust, I have a Vibrant Stealth muffler. 2.5 inch all the way back. I took off the Mugen wing. It just wasn't, I didn't like it anymore. I took it off and went back to stock. Next I have stored for the car is paint. I'm either gonna just repaint it the original Nighthawk Black Pearl, or I'm gonna change the color. I'm not too sure yet, but hey, you guys would know. I'll keep you posted on it. Let me get into the interior, and then I'm just gonna close it out. So for the interior, I have an NRG quick release steering wheel, hondata flashpro, of course. That's a must for your 8th gen. Hondata flashpro is a must. Dual double den head unit, and that's pretty much it. My little bud in the back seat. But yeah, man, this is a quick little video showing you guys what's done to my 8th gen. I love this car. I plan on keeping it. I don't plan on staying stock Z3 for long. I'm planning on getting a K24A bottom end and doing K2420 Frank, but we'll talk about that in future videos. But yeah, man, everybody knows what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. And it's your boy Fletch, And we out of here, man. Peace.